What do ADHD and depression have in common? Neurotransmitters. Imagine your brain as a busy city with messengers delivering messages to keep everything running smoothly. When these messengers get out of balance, it can cause a lot of issues. That's what happens in both attention deficit hyperactivity disorder and depression. Both conditions involve disruptions in the brain's chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. The main ones involved are dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin. These chemicals help control your mood, motivation, focus, and emotional responses. When they're off balance, it can lead to the symptoms we see in both disorders. Dopamine is like the brain's reward and motivation messenger. In ADHD, there's often less dopamine available in areas responsible for attention and feeling rewarded. This makes it hard to stay motivated or control impulses. In depression, dopamine levels can also be lower, especially in parts of the brain that make you feel pleasure. That's why people with depression often lose interest in activities they used to enjoy. They might feel unmotivated or emotionally numb. Norepinephrine is another key chemical involved in alertness and stress responses. In ADHD, norepinephrine signals are often disrupted, especially in the front part of the brain called the prefrontal cortex. This can make focusing and remembering things more difficult. Depression also involves changes in norepinephrine pathways, which can cause tiredness, low energy, and mood swings. When norepinephrine isn't working right, it's harder to stay alert and emotionally balanced. Serotonin is well known for its role in stabilizing mood. In depression, serotonin levels are often lower, which contributes to feelings of sadness and anxiety. Interestingly, serotonin can also influence impulsivity and emotional regulation in ADHD. Variations in how serotonin works in the brain can make some symptoms overlap, like mood swings or difficulty controlling emotions. All these neurotransmitter imbalances are influenced by genetics, which affect how these chemicals are produced, how sensitive the receptors are, and how quickly they're reabsorbed. Stress and environmental factors can make these imbalances worse, leading to more symptoms. Understanding that both ADHD and depression share these chemical pathways helps explain why they often occur together. It also shows why treatments targeting dopamine and norepinephrine, like certain medications, can help with both conditions. When we recognize these common factors, it becomes easier to develop a full plan for living well and managing these overlapping issues. This can include medication, therapy, and support systems tailored to the brain chemistry challenges faced by individuals with both ADHD and depression.